guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be making focaccia bread. Now, a few weeks ago, our good friend Keverly actually requested this video, so shout out to Keverly for all your love and support and for suggesting this video.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the little notification button in the corner just to keep updated on our videos.
Also guys, if there's any recipes that you guys would like to see or any suggestions that you may have, please feel free to comment down below or check out our Instagram page and our Facebook page, which are also going to be in the little description box below, so check that out.
Alright, let's get started.
So when it comes to focaccia bread, it can definitely be a little time consuming just because whenever you're making any kind of bread, you definitely need to give it time to set and relax and do its thing. So the bread itself, the dough itself, is actually very easy and very simple to make.
Yeah, all we're literally going to do is add our ingredients to the bowl and mix it together. Alright, so we have 5 cups of bread flour right here. You can use all-purpose flour, it really doesn't matter. Next we're going to go ahead and add our 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast and 2 teaspoons of salt. And I'm just going to give it a quick mix just so it's in the flour evenly. And that's good enough. Then it's 6 tablespoons of olive oil. And then 2 cups of room temperature water. Now we're doing this by hand because we know a lot of people out there don't have mixers, but if you want to use a mixer you can. I suggest doing a paddle first and then going to a dough hook. But for this, all we're going to do is really going to mix it and incorporate it, and we're trying to imitate a dough hook. So try to go around, mix it all together, and then go backwards to develop the gluten further.
Okay guys, so now that our dough has been resting for about 10 minutes, we're going to go ahead and start the kneading process. We made a quick little easy herb oil over here with some fresh herbs from the garden. We have some fresh sage, thyme, parsley, and oregano. Just give it a quick rough chop and add it to about half a cup of EVO.
So we're going to go ahead and do the kneading process of our dough. Just add some of the herb oil on the bottom of your Pyrex. You don't need a lot, just enough to coat the bottom. Just like that. And then we're going to go and add our dough. Okay, you want to mix some herbs and the oil together, but you're just going to try and spread it out. You'll kind of notice it's a little tough right now. That's fine, just kind of mix it out. Put a little more oil on top, and you're going to let it sit for 30 minutes. I'm going to do that and a short set of stretch and fold techniques like this. Make an envelope, one, turn around, do another one, and then like that. I'm just going to let it sit.
Okay guys, so now that our kneading process is finally done, we're going to go ahead and transfer our dough over to our sheet tray, which we've lined up with some parchment paper. And we're going to go ahead and just give it a nice little shape. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then we'll go ahead and get ready to pop it into our oven at 450 degrees for a total of 20 minutes. We'll show you how we do that. It's going to be about 10 minutes on one side, then we're going to rotate it and do another 10 minutes. This is a really wet dough, obviously because of all the oil and stuff like that. I'm really excited
all I'm going to do is I'm going to spread it out, and then I'm going to dip it later. So this is our focaccia. It looks great and it smells great.
And guys, one of the really good things about focaccia is that you can do all kinds of stuff with it. If you're having pasta night, it makes a great little side bread. Instead of garlic bread, you can have focaccia. Also, this makes a really good pizza. I can't tell you guys enough how just add some marinara and some cheese and pepperoni, and it makes a really good pizza. But tonight we're just making some really good sandwiches, which we're really excited about. So thank you guys so much for joining us, for cooking with us today. We hope you enjoyed our video.
Yeah, thanks for watching, and we hope to see you guys next time.
Bye guys.